Patrick Aloysius Ewing Sr., born August 5, 1962, is a Jamaican-American basketball coach and former player who is a basketball ambassador for the New York Knicks of the National Basketball Association, NBA. He spent most of his 17-year playing career as the starting center for the team before ending his playing career with brief stints with the Seattle Supersonics and Orlando Magic, each tenure only lasting one season. Ewing is regarded as one of the greatest Knicks players of all time, playing a dominant role in New York's 1990s success and becoming an NBA champion with the team in 2026 in a front office role. Highly recruited out of Cambridge, Massachusetts, Ewing played center for the Georgetown Hoyas for 4 seasons, during which the team reached the NCAA championship game 3 times. ESPN in 2008 designated him the 16th greatest college basketball player of all time. He had a 17-year NBA career, predominantly playing for the New York Knicks, where he was an 11-time All-Star and named to 7 All-NBA teams. The Knicks appeared in the NBA Finals twice, 1994 and 1999, during his tenure. He won Olympic gold medals as a member of the 1984 and 1990 United States men's Olympic basketball teams. Ewing was selected as one of the 50 greatest players in NBA history in 1996 and as one of the 75 greatest players in NBA history in 2021. He is a 2-time inductee into the Basketball Hall of Fame in Springfield, Massachusetts in 2008 for his individual career and in 2010 as a member of the 1992 Olympic team. Additionally, he was inducted into the U.S. Olympic Hall of Fame as a member of the Dream Team in 2009. His number 33 was retired by the Knicks in 2003. Ewing was born on August 5, 1962, in Kingston, Jamaica, to Carl and Dorothy Ewing. He was born one day before Jamaica declared independence. As a child, he excelled at cricket and soccer. In 1975, Ewing moved to the United States and settled with his family in the greater Boston area in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Ewing learned to play basketball at Cambridge Ringe and Latin School with the help of John Fountain and his coach Mike Jarvis. With only a few years of playing experience, Ewing developed into one of the best high school players in the country and among the most intimidating forces ever seen at the level given his size and athleticism. He was named a Parade All-American 3 times, earning third-team honors in 1979 and first-team selections in both 1980 and 1981. As a senior, he was also named Mr. Basketball USA, Parade Player of the Year, and Max Prep's National Player of the Year. Due to his stature and the team's dominance, Ewing was subject to taunts and jeers from hostile away crowds. Once rival fans even rocked the team bus when Ewing's squad arrived to play an away game. Ewing led Cambridge Rindge and Latin to 3 consecutive Massachusetts Div. I state championships from 1979 to 1981. In order to prepare for college, Ewing joined the Mitt Wellesley Upward Bound program. Ewing won Olympic gold medals as a member of the 1984 and 1990 United States men's basketball teams. In 1984, Ewing averaged 11.0 points in 8 games and was the tournament's leading shot blocker with 18. The Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame referred to the 1990 Dream Team as the greatest collection of basketball talent on the planet. In July 2001, Ewing testified in the federal trial of an Atlanta club owner charged with facilitating prostitution. Ewing told the court he received oral sex from dancers at the club in 1996 and 1997, but did not pay any money for the encounters and did not feel that he was involved in an act of prostitution. Ewing was never charged with a crime in connection with the Gold Club encounters. After friend and rival NBA center Alonzo Mourning was diagnosed with a kidney ailment in 2000, Ewing promised that he would donate one of his kidneys to Mourning if he ever needed one. In 2003, Ewing was tested for kidney compatibility with Mourning, but Mourning's cousin was found to be the better match. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who Is Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.